Hi guys, this is Vedic here from Artistic Atmosphere. In this video, I'll show you how to make a very easy Devi tattoo. So let's start. For making this, you may need drawing book or drawing paper, sketch pens, and other basic things like ruler and marker pen. I had made this drawing already. You can check the link for this in the description box. Coloring, you may need sketch pens like green, red, yellow, purple and brown. With red sketch pen, I am going to color the bindi of Devi. I had also colored the small bindi. Now I am going to color pearls of the nut and earrings. I am also going to color the lips. Now with green sketch pen, I am going to color the pearls of the earring and the nut. Also going to mark the boundaries of eye as it looks like eye shape. Now with yellow sketch pen I am going to color the jewelry, this horizontal bindi. With brown sketch pen I had done the markings and the eyebrow. Now it's turn for the eye. I am going to color the iris of eye with black marker pen. I had also completed the upper horizontal line. Now with a purple sketch pen I am going to color this Devi. Now I had done a small modification and turned that line into a trishul. Now this drawing is ready. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, click on the like button and share my videos and subscribe to my channel if you haven't.